We thank you very much for being around for this celebration. We thank the government of Uganda for the
Echombeke eki kiriho emyalire ena kandi omu nihija kuba harimo amaduuka, amarwariro, oburaro bw'abantu ahamwe n'amashomero agatari gamwe na gamwe.
Endo eriweereddwayo olw'omulimu amakula gwe yakola si mu kuzimba.
We ori patron owa umeya Prince Kasimo Kakunguru yasiima ministry y'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano ahabwa omurimo ogwe bakorire kandi yaraganisa ngo nibazana n'okuguma nibakwatanisa omu by'okushoma bari kutaho amashomero kandi yashobora n'ekigendererwa ekyokwomekaho ekyombeke eki.
Njagala nnyo okwebaza ekibiina kya IDP olw'okutuwa ssente ezo ennyingi bwe zityo n'okusingira ddala okwebaza abagenyi baffe bonna abazze naddala okusingira ddala minisita waffe atwala ebyenjigiriza abaddewo okubanga atongoza ekibiina kyaffe kino.
We ori omuhwezi owa Speaker w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayewa yashaba abantu boona okureeba ngu baremera omu ddiini yaabo kandi yabahabura okureeba ngu eddiini yaabo y'Obusiraamu babasa kugihamiramu.
You are putting all your effort in nurturing responsible citizens. From the way they present themselves to confessing their faith, because any country that is not based on strong pillars of faith has no future.
Yayongera yasiima abasiraamu ahabw'okukwatanisa na government okureeba ngu ihanga lyayongera kutunguuka.
We have an association of Muslim educators looking after issues of Muslim education, and they are partnering with the government. They are not scared of it. I really feel proud, and I see a much brighter Uganda.
Omukugamba kwe First Lady Janet Kataha Museveni yasiima ab'ekibiina eky'abasiraamu ahabwa omulimo gwe bakozire okuteekaho ekyombeko nk'eki ekirayambeho abasiraamu okuguma nibiihamu ssente.
It is a project I'm happy to be present to see in present day Uganda. This impressive 3-storied complex, which I have learned includes residential apartments, office space, and a conference hall.
Oguyayongera yashaba abantu boona okulinda ekitiinisa ekya Badru Kakunguru ngu ab'okuba akakora omulimo gw'amaani omu by'obwegyese ekintu ekiri kuyambaho okutunguura ihanga.
In quotes, that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I therefore appreciate you Mayor's leadership for choosing to invest in the best legacy that one could possibly leave.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kampala.